I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Action Keap. Give here the client ID and the client secret. To make this integration, you should need Keap CRM and Keap developer accounts both. So please visit the Keap client ID and the client secret. This is my Keap developer site. New app. Give here a meaningful integration app name. Enable. Save. Show secret. Copy the secret key and API key. And paste it here. Authorize it. Give access to your Keap CRM account and allow it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to the Keap CRM site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Keap CRM site. Thanks for watching.